Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so very much for being here. I hope you are having a wonderful day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and we do all kinds of fun unboxings. We do beauty, lifestyle, home decor, accessories, wine and lifestyle. So if you enjoy subscription box unboxings, then please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you. So guys, as you can see, today we have the Vino box, and I am going to tell you all about Vino before we get into unboxing this box right here. So first, I want to say thank you so very much to Vino for sending this to me. I do greatly appreciate it. Now, Vino is a quarterly subscription. It is a wine and lifestyle subscription box. It is $59.99 a quarter. I do have a promo code, which is Southern, that will save you $10 on your first box. And right now, if you buy their winter box, not only will you save $10 on your first box, you will also get a free bottle of wine and a winegry, like wine and angry, winegry, tea towel, and free shipping. All of that for $49.99. After that, it will go to $59.99 a quarter. So what all do you get with Vino, you ask? I'm going to tell you. All right, so again, it's quarterly, so it's delivered 4 times a year. Each box is curated to help women relax, recharge, and unwind. This is the subscription that is great for self-purchase or gifting. So, one thing I think that is really neat about Vino is you can change your shipping address. So say you get it this quarter and the next quarter is closer to Mother's Day. You're like, you know what? I'm going to change that. I'm going to send that to my mom. You can do that. You can change it to a sister, boss, mom, whoever. You can change your shipping address each quarter if you would like, which I think is awesome. So you get 2 bottles of wine in every box. Another thing I do like, again, you can kind of personalize this, is you can select 2 reds, 2 whites. You can get a combination, so you'll get a red and a white, or you can select sweet. So you have the option to tailor it kind of to your taste of what type of wine you like. All right, so then the actual box that comes with your wine, the lifestyle part of this, is going to contain 5 to 6 full-size products made of rejuvenating items, delicious treats, and fun and unique gifts curated just for her. So again, it is 2 bottles of wine in each box, and they are premium California and South African wines. So let's get in here and see what we got this go around, right? Because who doesn't love wine and goodies and all of that? It's just so much fun. Now, I went ahead and took the lifestyle part out. But what I want to show you that I think is neat, because it is all shipped to you in one box. And obviously because it is wine, alcohol, it is sent FedEx, and it does have to be signed for. So someone over the age of 21 will have to be available to sign for the box. So keep that in mind. But obviously you saw, this is what the box looks like. And when you open it, right here on top is where the box of goodies is, and then you can see how they secure the wine down in the bottom so that there's no issues. So that is nice. All right, so we'll go ahead and we'll take a peek here and see what wines we got since we're in that. And it looks like they sent me a mix, which is nice. So we have and oh, this is so cute for Valentine's Day. This is New Crush. This is a California wine. It is a red wine blend, 2016. A new crush is exciting, often unexpected. It's a time to savor the moment. This feeling inspired our New Crush wine, creating an exciting and memorable flavor palette to be enjoyed and savored with every sip. It's our New Crush. It's a medium-bodied wine with bold fruit-forward flavors of black cherry, boysenberry jam, layered in with a mild oakiness and a hint of cedar. An infatuating blend of luscious red flavors and a slight touch of sweetness. But isn't that cute? Like the thumbprints kind of make a heart. So there's one of our bottles. And then the other bottle, like I said, is a white. This is Spectacle. This is a Sauvignon Blanc, and this is actually one of their South African wines. This is from the Western Cape of South Africa, 2017. That bottle is gorgeous. Like the many exciting colors of a kaleidoscope, Spectacle wines offer a compelling splash of aromas and flavors that unfold on the palate with each sip. Crisp and flavorful, Spectacle Sauvignon Blanc has a fresh flavor profile of lemon, citrus, pear, basil, and sea salt. Pairs especially well with pasta and fresh vegetables. I think that is just so gorgeous. Like, I almost wouldn't even want to open this because it's just such a pretty bottle. They both are. So there's our wine. But like I said, you can choose to get 2 whites, 2 reds, the mix like that, or even sweet wines. So, but let's see what we got in our goodie box. All right, so every box will come with this little envelope here. You pull it out and it's going to tell you all about your goodies. There will be a card for each goodie. And this just talks about their custom wines. Okay. And I think this is cute because it's, oh, for me, that's what the box said. But like, oh, yum. Oh, wow. Oh, cute. So I think that is really neat. And we're just going to dive in and we're going to start with the oh, yum. So I'm actually very excited about this. I am not even going to lie to y'all. So the yum, and there usually is some sort of a treat in this box. This is actually from Candy Club. So that is actually another subscription. Candy Club, You Make Me Melt chocolates. Look. The You Make Me Melt chocolates are decadent orbs of velvety dark chocolate filled with rich sea salt caramel. Do I need to say anything else? Really? I mean, do y'all need to hear anything else? Delicious and perfectly poppable, these treats make a dreamy addition to any sweet spread. Oh, yum. This is a 7-ounce package. Why we love Candy Club. Candy Club is America's leading candy subscription company, sending delectable treats and sweet surprises straight to your door, whether you're a sour gummy lover or a bona fide chocoholic. Their rotating selection of premium candies is guaranteed to deliver big flavor and even bigger smiles every month. I'm like stuttering thinking at how good these are going to be. These won't last long. And these will go to that infamous mom hiding spot. So, just saying. Okay, so I'm very happy with that. And then this is super cute and I really like it. Good things are coming. You're exactly where you need to be. So this is a planner and it's a weekly planner. So you've got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Here's a to-do list, notes, and you can even put a week of and fill it in right there. But that is super, super cute. Backed by popular demand, weekly planning has never been easier or cuter. We are excited to share this planner custom created by the Vino team just for you. 50 weeks worth of planning will keep you organized through 2020. Oh, yes. Let's see. The planner was designed with fresh beginnings in mind. We want you to feel motivated and mindful about the upcoming week while planning. You've got this. So I love that. I love that this is something you can sit on your desk and you can just jot down, and it even has the section for to do and notes. So I really, really like that guy. All right, and then this says Foxy Originals Wine Charms. These are really, really cute. I actually don't have wine charms, so these love-inspired charms are perfect for clipping to each of your guest wine glasses when you're sharing a bottle or two of vino. Custom designed for Vino, these wine charms are the perfect way to tell you which glass is yours for a girl's night in. Oh, cute. So it's a set of 6. It says why we love Foxy Originals. Zen. That was a combination of Jen and Susie, believe that happiness, excitement, and fun are the perfect accessory to a fabulous life. Foxy Originals embodies these sentiments and gives women of all ages the tools to make their own look and lives a little more fabulous. Their vibrant and playful designs give their customers a way to add some sparkle and shine in an individual way that reflects their own distinct sense of style. Behind every fun and bright item is Jen and Susie's desire to make each wearer feel happy and beautiful. So we have XOXO, Kiss, and we have like some little lips, love, a heart, and cheers. So I do think, again, those are super cute, and I don't have any of these, so I'm really excited to now have some. All right. And then we have Malicious Sugar Kiss Velour Body Melt, which is this guy right here, which just looks bougie and fancy and yummy. All right, so this is outside of the box. And it says, discover all the ways to melt with the Malicious Velour Body Melt in the best-selling Sugar Kiss fragrance. This multitasking product will restore moisture and quench dryness from head to toe, literally. Use this intensely nourishing body melt as a hair, hand, and foot mask, or simply as your everyday body moisturizer. The rich formula sinks into your skin for an effortless, touchable finish. Oh yes, it's 8 ounces. Why we love Malicious. Malicious uses high-quality natural ingredients like coconut, sweet almond, vitamin E, macadamia nut, and marula oils in formulations that are nourishing to the skin and body and provide natural hydration that lasts all day. Their formulas are paraben-free, gluten-free, sulfate-free, and never tested on animals. Fantastic. Love that. So let's see what this Sugar Kiss, it says protect and perfect. Let's see what Sugar Kiss smells like. There is a safety seal. Oh, wow. Okay. So it's like solid. Oh my gosh. So it's kind of like a, I mean, melt, yeah, it's like a balm. But like you can see there on my hand. So let's just get a little bit more. We'll melt just a little bit more. Oh my goodness. Oh, that smells so good. Like, I mean, that smells so flippin' amazing. Oh my gosh. Okay, y'all, seriously, like my skin is so soft and it smells so good. But you can see there how it like, it literally did melt. So, oh, but it smells so good. It smells so good and it feels amazing. All right, so let's see. Then we have Wine for Two wine glasses. Mwah. These wine glasses have a design exclusive to Vino. The red ombre color at the base is the perfect pop of color for your wine glass collection. And the red metallic designs are sassy and trendy for the season. XOXO Vino girl. So it's a set of 2 17-ounce stemless wine glasses. They are hand wash only. Why we love Wine for Two. Wine for Two is a company that designs custom wine glasses that come in pairs. These glasses are high quality and oversized for your ultimate wine enjoyment. So here is what the box looks like. All right, so now I have the glasses outside of the box, and you guys, these are just the cutest. So we have this one here, again, the red ombre with like a metallic lips, and then another red ombre, and this has the metallic XOXO. Like, and they're not kidding when they say these are oversized, but hey, why not, right? So, cheers. So, that was everything in the Ooh La La box. So, like I said, the value is going to be $150 or more. It's going to be dependent upon the wine because their wines range from $21 to $26 a bottle. So just dependent upon the wine that you get is what's going to vary your price. Now, I will go ahead and put here across the bottom the total, not including the wine. So just the total for the body melt that smells fantastic, the wine glasses, the wine charms, the planner, the chocolate. I cannot wait to try. So that will all be down here. And then, like I said, you're looking at another $21 to $26 for each bottle of wine. So, like I said, I will put the link down below as well as that promo code SOUTHERN to get you $10 off, an extra bottle of wine, the Winegry towel, and free shipping. So you'll get all of this plus an extra bottle of wine and the extra hand towel for $49.99. Let me know if you already get wino. That's what I am. If you already get Vino, and your thoughts on this box. I thought this was an amazing box, and I really think that for it coming around Valentine's Day, I do think this was an amazing curation with the chocolate and the body melt butter that just feels fantastic and smells phenomenal. The flirty little wine glasses, the chocolate. So let me know your thoughts. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.